Hi, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. Let's first open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Then scroll down and you will see here silent mode switcher. Just to activate or turn off the silent mode, we should click on the switcher. If you want to silence media in silent mode, you should also use this switcher. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button and you'll see here bell icon. Click on this bell icon. Now it's changed to the cross bell, and this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to just turn it off, click on the cross bell and just silent mode is turned off. So one more way how we can activate and turn off the silent mode, just open the control panel and here you will see mode icon. Tap on this icon to activate the silent mode, or to turn it off you should click once again on this icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.